Hello traders, how was the day today? First of all, could not create any of the videos yesterday evening because there were some medical emergencies at home that I needed to attend to. Everything is good right now, so let's get back to business. So when we were planning in the morning today around this area, we were thinking that there is a possibility that we can come down to the COI. If the COI does not hold, we will come to this blue box, which is the bar 8 from yesterday. That is where the climb started. If you see, that was a shaved top candle, and we got the highs from there. So I was thinking that it can actually be a very good support, but we actually bounced from there as well. But then the bears were really strong, and then the idea was, if this area gives up, we will come to the 25 to the 35 area, the 28 to the 35 area. And if that gives up, we will be back inside the TR, and we can come down to 5480, 5453. And there is a possibility that we see the low of the TRs as well, right? Let us take a look at what we traded. We got a very strong bar at 930. This is the bar 1. I bought the 50% of bar 1, and my exit was at 5599 at the top of this candle. I did not want to hold on to it because I was not sure whether it will be able to break out of 5600. And since we had a 100-point move yesterday, I was also expecting kind of a TR, so I did not want to hold on to it. Along with that, I wanted to wait for bar 6 to happen, because bar 6 is the news bar at 10 o'clock and some major market movement can happen here, right? And that is exactly what it did. It started at 945 at the 4th bar itself. Let me get the bar count here. So at 9:45 itself, that started happening. I did not take any shots here. I was waiting to see if the bar 1 low can be taken out. This candle took out the low of bar 1, and I shorted below bar number 9 basically. So once I shorted below bar 9, my target was in this blue box. I came out of the first contract at 50, and I waited to see if we could get to the 43 line, and we got to the 43 line, and I came out of my runner here, and immediately it started bouncing. But then this bounce did not hold, and this actually proved to be a bear flag. I shorted right below bar number 13 here. Then we saw this bar number 17. I was thinking that it can be another bear flag, but if the bar number 18 goes above this, I will come out of the short trades. But that did not happen. Bar 18 actually closed really low, and I came out of the trade after bar number 19. At the close of bar number 19, I was out because this had a flat bottom after such a strong move down. So I was expecting that there can be a pullback here, and we did get a two-legged move up, which again proved to be a bear flag. And if you see, it is continuously getting rejected by this 5 and 13 EMA cloud, so there was nothing to buy at this point. I again shorted below bar number 25. Now I started scalping, right, because I was thinking that we are already close to a 100-point move of the day. How much can it go? So at this point of time, I was only in scalping mode. I shorted below bar number 25 at 5508, and my exit was at 5499. That was one of the targets that I have. But as bar number 38 closed below the previous low and was pretty strong, I kept a stop loss above bar number 38. I shorted here again, and I was kind of thinking that we may come down further, and I finally took my profit at the 61 area after 20 points from my entry, and that was the last short trade that I had. And then immediately, if you see, there were two strong bull bars that happened, which was telling me that the bulls might have started entering the market, or the bears have started squaring off their positions, whatever that is. If this was the bears squaring off their position, we got another very strong bull bar, and that was a sign that bulls are in the market. Anyways, the bears were really strong at this point as well. We came down another 20 points here, right from 66 to 44. It's more than 20 points, and then we started moving up. So at this point of time, when I saw this leg up and then these two candles, I was thinking that if we can get above the 61 area, then we will target to hit the top of this candle again, candle number 54. So I entered with some longs at 61, and I actually came out of the top here at 75, which was actually one of my lines. I did not wait for the 76 to happen, and that was the last trade that I took today. So overall, we had a 100-point up and a 100-point down, so we are in a big trading range. I will come back in the evening today with the expectations for tomorrow. What are the support and resistance areas that we are looking at? And if you look at the daily chart, you will see that the ATR is around 125 points, which is kind of crazy, right? So at this point of time, we will have to see if we create a trading range here. This is creating some kind of an expanding triangle as well. So we will have to look at the legs at the different time frames, and then we will find out that where the market wants to go. But one thing that I am kind of sure is if we break down this 3332 area, we should get another 30 to 40 points down towards the bearish side. And after that, if the bears are really strong, we can actually come down to this 5346, 5356 area. This is what I am looking at for the bears to get done. However, there will be other support and resistance areas prior to that. So we will look into that once we look at the expectations video. That is all I have for now. As always, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.